Ayan, may dadating. Sige. Sige, sabi ko pag may dadating ka, tapos tumingin ka, tapos masyak ka. Madala nga lang. Ayan.
Welcome to Banana Hills. And you're asking kung paano nagiging maayos yung videos. Syempre, may director's instruction yarn. And may kasamang konting acting. By the way, this is Kay, your favorite food and travel enthusiast.
Thank you.
Today, we are at Banana Hills. Sumakay kami ng grab car papunta dito. Medyo malayo yung travel, around 30 minutes. But, entrance pa lang, labas pa lang yan. It is all worth it. Kung babalik ako, buong araw yung ilalagi ko dito. Originally, hindi siya part ng pupuntahan namin. But since may kasama kami who dreams of going here, ayan na, inilaban na. This is my first cable car ride. And sobrang majestic. Oh my God! Look! Welcome to Banana Hills! Hindi ako gumagalaw dun sa upuan ko kasi feeling ko talaga malalaglag ako. But then, after a while, na-conquer ko na rin yung fear ko and na-overwhelm ako sa ganda ng sceneries, ng castle and everything. Sobrang ganda. Plus, every time na humahangin, nag-swing din yung cable car at every time may column. So, yumayanig yung loob ng cable car. Plus, yun, when you're gonna stop, medyo mabilis din yun. So, alam mo yung first time, hindi mo alam yung mararamdaman mo na may fear na exciting. Oh my God. It's so foggy. Literal na speechless kasi ang ganda. Sobrang majestic, sobrang magical, especially the fog. Hindi mo masyadong maramdaman yung lamig. Mainit naman dun sa baba, but when you go up, medyo malamig na. So, maganda rin na may dala kang jacket. You can actually make habilin doon sa entrance ng gamit nyo. So, pwede yung may dala kayo. Ito talaga yung pinunta namin dito. Pero sobrang dami ng tao. I'm so happy I had my moment. Diba? Super ganda. After namin sa castles, we did the gardens and the moon area. And then, bumaba kami sa Golden Bridge. After nun, umakyat uli kami. Going to this European and French style village sa taas. Kasi hinahanap namin yung free beer kanina dun sa pagpasok. And then after ng mahabang paglalakad, sa dulo pa niyan, we finally saw the pretty beer. So, ito yung papasukan mo.
Can you say hi? So we're gonna taste the pre-beer. It's fruity. Not so mapait. I like this. Welcome to Banana Hills. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Welcome to Banana Hills.
Itong part na to, nagmamadali kami kasi hinahanap namin yung sakayan papunta sa monorail. So, ayan na yung way to the monorail.
Where are you from?
Don't mind me kasi tumakbo ako para umabot.
Ah, thank you.
You're pretty and beautiful daw. Kilig yun. And this is the ride. Let's go. So we're moving right now. Yung Hagardo Versosa ka papagtakbo, pero kailangan mo ilaban me. Project. And ito yung hintay natin na kunin. Ganda, di ba? So, we're going out to change. Although hindi masyadong halata, but then nahihiya ako. Kaya medyo shy akong alabas yung camera. Kasi they know na I'm taking videos. See you later. So, this is how it is. And, alam mo yung sobrang sigaw pa ako ng hi ka. Alam mo naman, makikinig nila ako. Pero nag-hi back talaga sila dyan. Doon. This one, pinilahan ko talaga to kahit medyo mahaba yung pila. Ang problem is that hindi tama yung height ko kasi I need to make tikde para umabot yung liig ko doon sa proportion ng gown. So, dalawang cable car yung sasakyan mo. Ito yung unang pagbaba papunta doon sa Golden Bridge.
Chụp ảnh đằng sau đẹp nha. Bố ơi, nào mẹ.
Ang lawak pa doon.
Hôn nhau, phải hôn nhau.
Ôm đồng nhau.
Dyan yung train. So right now we're going down and it's already past 4. At uuwi na tayo. This is it. And this is the second cable car from the Golden Bridge pababa. Oh my God, you're falling down. So we're falling down. And fog. Look how crazy it is. You should try this. Ito yung mas malapit na tayo dun sa may entrance kasi wala na yung fog at mainit na. So, malayo talaga siya. Mas maganda kung meron kang handy na jacket when you go there kasi weather changes. This area is pagbaba mo, souvenir shop na siya. Nagstay din kami doon ng more than 30 minutes. Marami kasing makikita doon at mabibili. Yung hindi mo ramdam, sobrang pula ng mukha ko dahil sa taas sobrang pagi. These are the sample souvenir items. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and make sure to include Banahil sa Vietnam travel nyo. That will be all. Ta-ta!